Unboxing Ford Escape Vacuum Pump. Vacuum pump. Tools used to remove and install Ford Escape Vacuum Pump. Small T25 socket. Small 7 mm deep socket. Small 8 mm deep socket. Small short extension bar. Small ratchet. Small torque wrench. Trim tool. Use a lint-free cloth to clean the mounting surface of the valve cover. Open the hood. Set the hood prop rod. Remove the engine cover. Remove the rubber clip. Disconnect the intake air temperature sensor connector. Use a trim tool to remove the wire harness clip. Remove the vacuum hose. Press the lock tab and remove the bypass hose. Use a small T25 socket with a small ratchet. Remove the mounting bolts for the brake fluid reservoir. Remove the bolt. Set the brake fluid reservoir aside. Use a small 7 mm deep socket with a small ratchet. Loosen the clamp on the intake pipe. Lift and remove the air cleaner assembly. Continue using the small 7 mm deep socket with a small ratchet. Loosen the clamp on the turbocharger intake pipe. Use a small 8 mm deep socket with a small ratchet. Remove the mounting bolt for the turbocharger intake pipe. Remove the bolt. Remove the turbocharger intake pipe. Disconnect the canister purge solenoid valve connector. Remove the wire harness clip. Remove the canister purge solenoid valve. Remove the vacuum hose. Press both sides to disconnect the vacuum hose. Place a lint-free cloth or towel under the vacuum pump. We use a lint-free cloth for this. To prevent oil from leaking downward during removal, use a small 8 mm deep socket and a small short extension bar with a small ratchet. Remove the 3 mounting bolts for the vacuum pump. Remove the first bolt. The second bolt is located between the vacuum pump and the high-pressure fuel pump. Remove the bolt. Remove the vacuum pump. Comparison of old and new vacuum pump. The reason for replacing the vacuum pump is that the old vacuum pump is faulty, resulting in inability to create vacuum. Use a lint-free cloth to clean the contact surface between the vacuum pump and the cylinder head. After cleaning the surface, align the slider and install the vacuum pump. Use a small 8 mm deep socket with a small short extension bar. Install the vacuum pump mounting bolts. Install the mounting bolt at the rear of the vacuum pump. Install the mounting bolt at the lower part of the vacuum pump. Remove the lint-free cloth. Use a small 8 mm deep socket and a small short extension bar. with a small torque wrench. Tighten the vacuum pump mounting bolts. Torque them to specification. Torque is 10 Newton meters, 7 foot-pounds. Reinstall the vacuum hose. Reinstall the canister purge solenoid valve. Reconnect the canister purge solenoid valve connector. Reinstall the wire harness clip. Align and install the turbocharger intake pipe. Start the mounting bolt for the turbocharger intake pipe. Use a small 8 mm deep socket with a small ratchet. Tighten the mounting bolts for the turbocharger intake pipe. Tighten securely. Reinstall the bypass hose. Reinstall the lock tab. Install the air cleaner assembly. Use a small 7 mm deep socket with a small ratchet. Tighten all clamps on the intake pipe. Align and install the brake fluid reservoir. Install the mounting bolts. Use a small T25 socket with a small ratchet. Tighten the mounting bolts for the brake fluid reservoir. Reinstall the vacuum hose. Install the wire harness clip. Reconnect the intake air temperature sensor connector. Reinstall the rubber clip. Reinstall the engine cover. Remove the hood prop rod. Close the hood.